So, think about a pig. Just a pink pig sitting in wet mud.
Right, and you might ask yourself, is the pig dirty? Or, is the pig silly?
Exactly. But no, the pig is actually very smart. It uses the mud to survive.
It really does. And today, we're exploring the secret lives of animals.
Yeah, so if you are learning English, you are in the right place. We are doing a special, very slow-paced deep dive today.
We really are. We will speak slowly,
Oh.
and we will speak clearly.
Right, because we want you to understand the words. Learning English is a big journey.
It is a big journey, but, we will make it easy. We are going to look at 10 common animals.
10 animals. We will learn their names in English, and we will learn the sounds they make.
Yes. And most importantly, we will learn why they act the way they do.
We have a great journey planned for you today. We will start by looking at animals inside our own homes.
Right. Then we will travel outside to the farm.
And finally, we will go far away into the wild.
I love that. And I invite you to practice speaking with us. When you hear a new word, try to say it out loud.
Speaking out loud is the best way to practice. So let us begin in the closest place possible.
Inside the home. Animals that live inside the home with humans are called pets.
Right. People keep pets for company. Our first pet is a favorite for many people around the world. The dog.
The dog.
Yeah, if you are practicing, try saying the word with us. Dog.
Dog. In English, we have a special phrase for this animal. We call the dog man's best friend.
Man's best friend. We say this because dogs are loyal.
Let us explain that word, loyal. A loyal friend is someone who stays by your side.
Right. If you are sad, the dog sits with you. If you go for a walk, the dog follows you.
Exactly. The dog wants to be near you all the time. That is loyalty.
Dogs also communicate in a special way. The action of a dog speaking is called a bark. To bark.
To bark. And when a dog barks, the sound we hear in English is, well, woof.
Woof. That sound means the dog is talking to you.
It does. Now let us contrast the dog with our second pet. This animal is very different.
It is the cat. Try saying it.
Cat. Cat. So the dog is very loyal and stays by your side. But the cat is independent.
Right, independent. Independent means the cat does things alone.
Yeah, the cat does not need you all the time.
Here's a good way to think about it. If the dog is a loyal best friend, the cat is an independent roommate.
Oh, an independent roommate. I like that.
Yeah. The cat lives in your house. The cat has soft fur. But the cat just wants to find a soft place to sleep.
It will come to you when it is ready. The roommate analogy makes perfect sense.
It really does. Cats sleep a lot.
They do, and when a cat decides to speak, it does not bark. The action is called a meow. To meow.
Right, to meow. And the sound is also meow.
Meow. It is a quiet sound, usually.
So we have the loyal dog and the independent cat. Let us look at one more pet. The rabbit.
Ah, yes. Say the word with us. Rabbit.
Rabbit. The rabbit is a small animal. It is famous for its physical body.
Right. A rabbit has very long ears. These long ears stand up on the top of its head.
Rabbits also move in a special way, you know.
Aw.
A dog walks, a cat walks, but a rabbit jumps.
It jumps high off the ground, and a rabbit needs special food.
Yes, rabbits love to eat green grass and carrots.
They really do love carrots. So think about your home. You have the dog saying woof,
The cat saying meow.
and the rabbit jumping. These are our pets.
These animals live inside with us. But humans also rely on animals outside the city.
Yes, we do. Let us travel out to the countryside. Let us look at animals that help humans survive.
Right. These animals live on a farm.
A farm is a place where we grow food and keep animals for work.
The animals here are not pets. They have important jobs. Our first farm animal is the cow.
Try saying the word cow.
Cow. The cow is a large animal. It is very heavy.
The cow is important because it gives humans milk. People drink milk.
Right. And people use milk to make cheese. The cow gives us a lot of food.
Because the cow is so large, it has a very deep voice.
It does. The sound a cow makes in English is moo.
Ooh.
So the cow is large. But our next farm animal is quite small. It is the chicken.
Try saying it. Chicken.
Chicken. The chicken is a bird. It lives outside on the farm.
The cow gives milk, but the chicken does something different. The chicken lays eggs.
Eggs are a very important food for humans. Many people eat eggs for breakfast.
They do. The small chicken works hard to provide this food.
Now, let us look at our third farm animal. This animal is full of surprises. It is the pig.
Say the word with us. Pig.
Pig. People usually think of pigs as being pink.
They also think pigs are very smart animals, but pigs have a habit that confuses some people.
Right. Pigs love to sit and play in the mud.
Wait, let us talk about this. Mud is wet, squishy dirt on the ground.
Yeah, we usually think playing in the mud makes an animal very dirty.
So why does a smart animal want to be covered in wet dirt?
There is a very clever reason, actually. The pig uses the mud to survive the hot weather.
Oh, right. Pigs do not sweat like humans do.
Exactly. When the sun is hot, the pig feels too warm.
But the wet mud is cold. The mud is like a cold shower for the pig.
So sitting in the wet dirt is actually very smart. The pig uses nature to stay cool. It is not just being messy.
Exactly. The cow makes milk, the chicken lays eggs, the pig uses mud to stay cool.
Every animal on the farm has a specific way of living.
They really do. Well, we have looked at pets inside the house. We have looked at farm animals working in the countryside.
Now we are leaving the human world entirely. We are traveling into nature.
We are going into the wild.
Right, into the wild. Wild animals do not live with humans.
No, they do not help humans on a farm either. Wild animals live on their own.
They are often big, strong, and powerful. Our first wild animal is very famous. It is the lion.
Try saying it. Lion.
Lion. In English, people call the lion the king of the jungle.
A king is a powerful leader. The lion gets this name because it is incredibly strong.
The lion also commands attention with its voice. A dog barks, a cat meows, but a lion roars.
To roar. A roar is a very loud, powerful sound.
It tells all the other animals that the king is near.
The lion is powerful. But our next wild animal is even bigger. It is the elephant.
Say the word with us, elephant.
Elephant. The elephant is the largest land animal in the world.
It is massive and has very unique features. An elephant has large, floppy ears.
Floppy means the ears move back and forth in the wind.
The elephant also has a very long nose. In English, we call this long nose a trunk.
A trunk. The elephant uses its trunk to breathe, but also to grab things.
Yeah, it uses its long nose like a human uses a hand.
That is fascinating. The elephant uses its nose like a hand.
Now we have another wild animal with a very unique body. It is the giraffe.
Try saying it, giraffe.
Giraffe. The elephant is the largest animal, but the giraffe is the tallest animal in the world.
It is the tallest because it has a very long neck.
I want to stop here for clarity. This might confuse some people.
Oh, sure. What is it?
Well, you said the elephant is the largest. You said the giraffe is the tallest.
Right.
What is the actual difference between large and tall for our listener?
Let us break that down. Think about the space an animal takes up.
Okay, the space.
The elephant is large. It is heavy. It has a wide body. It takes up a lot of space on the ground.
Okay, the elephant is heavy and wide.
Now think about the giraffe. The giraffe is tall. Tall means reaching high into the sky.
Oh, I see.
The giraffe is not heavy and wide like an elephant, but its long neck reaches up to the top of the trees.
That makes perfect sense. The elephant is wide and heavy. The giraffe goes up into the sky.
And the giraffe needs that long neck to survive.
Right. The giraffe uses its tall neck to reach green leaves high in the trees. Other animals cannot reach those leaves.
Exactly. The tall neck gives the giraffe its own private food supply.
Now, let us meet our final wild animal. It is the monkey.
Say the word with us. Monkey.
Monkeys are very active animals. They do not stand still.
No, they use their strong arms and legs to climb high into the trees.
And they love to find sweet food. A favorite food for many monkeys is the banana.
Monkeys climb trees and eat bananas. They are very clever and fast.
Well, we have now explored all 10 animals.
We traveled from the home to the farm to the wild.
You now know the names of these 10 animals in English. But knowing the words is only the first step.
That is true. If you want to speak English, you need to build sentences.
Let us focus on how to use these words in conversation.
We will look at a very simple sentence structure. You can use this structure every day.
The pattern is the animal is, and then a describing word.
We call a describing word an adjective.
Let us try it. Think about the wild elephant. The adjective is big.
So the sentence is, the elephant is big.
Try saying that out loud. The elephant is big.
Now think about the independent cat. The adjective is soft.
The sentence is, the cat is soft. Try saying it. The cat is soft.
The elephant is big. The cat is soft. This is how you share information in English.
But what happens if we want to talk about two animals at the same time?
Well, we need to compare them. To compare two things, we take the adjective and add the sound at the end.
Okay.
Then we use the word than. For example, the adjective is strong. We change it to stronger than.
Let us build a sentence. The wild lion is strong. The pet cat is not as strong.
So we say a lion is stronger than a cat.
A lion is stronger than a cat.
Let us do one more comparison. Think about the giraffe reaching into the trees.
And think about the pig sitting in the mud.
The adjective is tall. We change it to taller than.
A giraffe is taller than a pig. You try saying it. A giraffe is taller than a pig.
Building these sentences takes practice, but you are putting the words together.
You really are. Before we finish our deep dive, let us see how much you remember about animal sounds.
Oh, this is a great idea.
I will make an animal sound, and you try to guess which animal I am pretending to be. Are you ready?
Listen closely.
Meow!
What animal is that?
If you guess the cat, you are right. The independent roommate of the house says meow.
Here is the next sound. It is a deep sound. Moo. Moo. What animal is that?
That is the large cow. The cow on the farm says moo. Let us do one final sound. Listen carefully. Woof. Woof. Which animal is that?
That is the loyal pet. The dog says woof.
You now have new words. You have new sentences. You have new sounds to practice.
Learning a language is about trying, making mistakes, and trying again.
I suggest practicing these words today. Look at pictures of animals. Try to say their English names.
Try to make a sentence like, the monkey is active, or the rabbit jumps.
Let us look back at the journey we took today. We met 10 very different animals in 3 different worlds.
Inside our homes, we met the pets. The loyal dog, the independent sleeping cat, the jumping rabbit with long ears.
Out in the countryside, we met the farm animals, the large cow making milk.
The small chicken laying eggs, the smart pig using cold mud to survive the hot sun.
Out in the wild, we met nature's powerful animals, the strong lion roaring.
The large elephant with its useful trunk, the tall giraffe reaching high leaves, and the active monkey climbing trees.
We covered a lot of ground today, but before we say goodbye, I want to leave you with a thought.
A way to connect this English lesson to your real life.
In English, we call the lion the king of the jungle. We respect the lion because it is strong and wild.
But we call the dog man's best friend. We love the dog because it is loyal and stays by our side.
The wild king and the loyal friend. My question for you is this. Look outside your window today.
Look at the animals in your city or your town. What animals live near you?
Which animal near you would you call a friend? How would you describe that animal in English?
Would you say it is big, soft, independent?
Think about the English words you can use to describe the world right outside your door.
Keep practicing your words. Keep building your sentences.
You are doing a great job on your English journey. We will talk to you on the next deep dive.